Basanti Pulao. Right, brother? Okay. Chicken curry known as the chicken kosa. Non-veg thali under $1. Look, guys. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, right now I'm in a place called Kasbah, right? So behind me, as you can see those stalls there, right? They sell the non-veg thali under $1, right? So basically right now I have this $1 with me, right? So what can you get within this $1 here in the street of Kolkata, right guys? And if you're watching my vlog for the first time, guys, please subscribe. Let's go. And yeah, watch the vlog till the end. Right guys, so here we are in a place called Kasbah, right? And this brother here sells the not the cheapest, but non-veg thali. Thali is the mixture of plate that they give you this rice and chicken and some other ingredients as well, right? Not ingredients but the dish. But right now this brother is serving this Basanti Pulao, right? And you see those cottage cheese inside, and they have raisins, and they have cashew nuts, right? And just look at this massive pot of pulao. It's called the pulao. Hello bhaiya, good afternoon. You're fine? Fine. Great. Okay, so look guys, look. So right now the time is about 1:30 in the morning, and this brother sells this are the item he sells here in the street of Kolkata under $1, right? Look guys. And with this he gives this chicken curry, right? It's called the chicken kosa. Let me just stir this for you guys. Look guys. Yeah, and this is the chili chicken, right? Boneless chili chicken. Good afternoon, brother. You're fine?
Yeah,
Great. And they will give you a curry with it, guys. And what is this, brother? Ota kiya se?
Aloo curry.
Oh, this is the spicy potato curry. It's called the aloo dum, right? That's how it is. Look guys. And the environment, right now, like where I am, looks like this. As you can see, it says, Kasbah New Market. This is just opposite this Kasbah New Market here on the street of Kolkata, right? This is how it is, guys. So brother, আপনারা apart from pulao or chicken আর কি serve করেন? I just asked him apart from this pulao and chicken, what are the item he serves, right? He's gonna say aloo curry, yeah,
Bean curry,
yeah,
paneer, matar paneer
and
chicken curry and
Chinese, anything like that?
all Chinese.
All Chinese as well. Okay, look guys, and that brother there, right, is cutting the boneless chicken inside, right? The boneless breast piece, right? Great, brother, great. You're doing a great job, man. And they even give you popper with it, right? Popper is the papadum, masala popper.
And
Guys,
and raita.
if you try this, you let me know. And this is the raita. Raita is basically made with yogurt and chili, cucumber, cilantro and salt. So basically, when you have this, heavy meal, right? This chicken and rice, and right now in Kolkata it's very hot, right? And so that raita, that white, sauce kind of a thing will help you to digest your food, right? So this is how it is, guys. Look guys, and these are the items that they sell over here. Now just beside this shop, they all have street food stalls here, right? Right till the top, they all have street food stalls here, right? So basically they are selling all different cuisines here, right? Look guys. So if you have $1, guys, you can enjoy this pulao and chicken curry, right? So it's just like, you know, 6 cents more than $1, right? So if you buy this rice and curry, it's 90 rupees. Look, guys, it says, you know, pulao combo plus 2-piece chicken plus raita. Raita is that white saucy kind of a thing I just showed you, right? And the masala papad, you know, that round yellowish thing I just showed you. So it's for 90 rupees, which is like $1 6 cents. And if you want special, is 100 rupees. Excuse me, brother. How are you? Sorry to bother you. How's the food? Fantastic. Okay, brother. Enjoy your lunch. Thank you, bro. Okay. This pot, you know, guys, guess, you know, what would be the quantity, you know? I think is 20 kg, you know, Dada? Maybe 20 kg pot. Guys, 20 kg pot of pulao, right? It's crazy. Oh my goodness. So this is the Basanti pulao. Right, brother? Okay. It's gonna give the spicy chicken curry known as the chicken kosa. And the raita goes in.
masala papad.
Masala papad. Okay. Now the masala papad will go. Now this is for 90 rupees. Right, brother? Look, guys. Look, guys. Looks delicious, right? Okay, brother, thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. You take care, man. Thank you. Okay. Right, guys, so that was me, your friend John. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. I will see you in my next vlog. Let's make memories, love, peace. See you soon, guys. Take care.